Hi best friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, my name is Ayani and I make wigs. So Alipearl sent me some hair and I made this navy blue wig out of it. Okay, and I did have some mishaps, so I am going to tell you guys what happened and how I fixed it, or tried to fix it. So they did send me 4 bundles. The longest bundle I have is 28 inches, and I did use my sewing machine to make a wig. So basically what I'm going to do is I am going to put the wig on my mannequin head, and I am going to comb it out thoroughly so it'll make the bleaching process easy. So when it comes to bleach, I want my bleach consistency to be loose because it'll help distribute in the hair easier versus it being thick. If you want thick bleach, you're going to go for something like a balayage. But if you do thinner bleach, it'll help bleach evenly, okay? So basically I'm going to just apply the bleach all throughout the wig and let it process until it gets to like a honey brown state. A honey brown is light enough, especially to put the navy blue hair color on top. So if you know me, you know I love to use saran wrap to bleach hair only because I can see the hair process through it versus using foil. So each section I wrap in saran wrap. I don't smother it. I do leave areas where the hair can breathe and so it won't swell. So I'm going to do that to all sections of the hair, and I'm going to let it process for about 40 minutes, and then I am going to wash it out. So it's been 45 minutes and I am just going to check on the hair to make sure everything is processed evenly. So it is. So basically I'm going to just rinse all the bleach out, and it's time for watercoloring. You guys know I love watercoloring. It's just really easy. It just makes coloring hair fast and easy within 5 minutes. So I like doing that. So I'm going to basically wash all the bleach out. And then I am going to get a pan and pour hot water in there, and then I am going to use the dye of my choice. Now I picked the Kiss Tintations, okay? I would not suggest using that dye only because it's not a concentrated color, so it's very liquid, and the color doesn't take well. So when I use this color and I dip my hair in it, it looked like my hair turned blue, but my hair actually turned green. Yes. So basically what I had to do is, when I saw that my hair turned green, I took it out and I had to re-bleach it to get the green tinge off of it, and then I used Adore navy blue to deposit the color back onto the hair, which was the same level of blonde at the end of the day, and the Adore took to the actual blue color and the Tintation didn't. So if you have 613 hair and you want to use Kiss Tintation, that is perfectly fine. It will take perfectly. But if you have bleach blonde hair, use Adore or Manic Panic, something like those kind of colors, pure colors. So let's talk. I got my hair to like a number 27. Like that's like a honeyish blonde, golden honey blonde. And I went in and I was going to use the Kiss on it, like to dye it real quick, and it turned like murky green. 2 things happened to make this hair turn murky green. One, it wasn't light enough, but that's not the case because I'm gonna show you with a different dye that doesn't matter. It's because Kiss, this new formula that they have, is not concentrated with color, meaning it's like watered down. So the only time that this That color will show in true form is if you have 613 hair, or if you apply it directly. Okay, so I just want to tell you guys that, and I'm about to just go ahead and finish coloring this so we can get this wig done. But yeah, my nice ass blonde hair turned brown. So basically, I took Adore semi-permanent hair color in navy blue and I applied it directly to the hair. I did not want to take a chance of it turning green again, even though I knew it wasn't, but I just wanted to make sure that it didn't. The dye does look purple here, but it's going to oxidize and turn blue, like a dark blue. So the navy blue is going to look like a midnight blue. So it's going to be a blue blackish look. Okay, so like in the sun you're going to see blue, but when you're in a dark, when you're in a confined place or inside, it's going to look black. Now when you're using semi-permanents like Kiss and Adore, they are conditioning semi-permanents, meaning it's not a process, it's just a color deposit. So it's going to leave your hair shiny and it's going to leave your hair soft after using it. So you can use conditioner after you rinse it out, but it's not necessary. But if you are bleaching your hair, then I would suggest you go in with silicone mix after you put the conditioning semi-permanent on there, just, you know, to help your hair keep its longevity after bleaching. But semi-permanents will not dry out your hair at all. It's definitely there to keep your hair conditioned and to deposit color. So basically all I did was cut baby hairs, mold them down, and use my Ruby Kisses hair color to tint the lace to my natural skin color, only because when I did the watercolor it made the lace a little bluish. So basically that's what happened. I did flat iron my hair, and basically all I'm gonna do is apply the wig down. So I'm going to take these clips that I purchased from Sally's. I love these clips. I'll always buy them because I always lose them, or somebody always takes them. And I am going to pin the hair that's on the lace backwards, and I am going to cut the seams off on the lace closure. It just helps it lay down better. And after I do that, I am going to go in and cut the lace off the closure and apply it down. So I definitely wanted to take this wig off at the end of the day, so I did use the Got To Be Free spray to secure my wig down. And basically I sprayed on, lay my lace down on top of the free spray, and I blow dry it down. And I don't have any problems with lifting or anything. I like to do this when it comes to my closures. I did add a little bit of makeup in the middle of the parting just to define it a little bit, because the closure did have a little blue tinge to it. And it just made it look more realistic for me. I can honestly say that I am no longer going to use Tintation colors. I tried to use it. I tried to follow the trend, and they're just not for me. Because when you do the watercolor method on bleached hair, it tends to water the color down even more than what it is. So you're not really getting a true color payoff. So I will stick to Adore, because that's the colors, the semi-permanent colors that I'm used to and I've been using for years. And I'm never going to steer away from that ever again. This was actually a reformulation of Kiss original colors, and I honestly didn't like that either. I tried that before and I did a review on it, and it transferred all over the place. I can honestly say that the new formulation does not transfer, but it's just very more diluted than the original colors. So yeah, and if you are somebody that's scared of wearing color and you want to get into wearing color, I would suggest deep colors like this, because you can definitely wear this to work. This is a work approved color. It is dark, so Indoors it does look like midnight blue, but when you go out, you will see it vibrantly. And this is a good transition color for you to wear to start off wearing color. I do also want to mention that the hair held up really good after me bleaching it twice. And it was a little dry, so I did do the silicone mix treatment and it brought it right back. And I haven't had any problems with it since. I did refresh the color on this wig after this installment, just because I just wanted to make sure that, you know, it was fully saturated after this, because I did find some green tinges still in the hair, so I just went back and did that. But otherwise, the hair was very soft. It held up really, really good, and I have no complaints. It did not shed, surprisingly. And I'm just disappointed in Kiss. Like, I just feel like they need better products. But I'm pleasantly surprised how flowy this hair is after the processing. And let me know if you guys will wear navy blue hair. Like, it's very bomb. And if you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll get back to them. And I will be back with some more videos. Bye, best friends.